Alright, we got a lot of stuff just moved out of the way so I can get to that rack. With the engine sitting there. Just started pulling stuff off and I thought, you know what? It is awfully dark over here. Too dark. And it's kind of aggravating. So let's shed some light on the subject. Color is 5000K, 110 watts, and it is from 1 to 10 watts adjustable. And you guys probably guess where it's from Cinoton. So let's open the box and take a look and see what we've got in there. Let's move this out of this way. Foam blocks. Those are good for packing. That's what they use them for. That's what I'll use them for when I send something else out. I'll tell you guys something that's not related but pretty cool. Recently got back in touch with gal that I dated from Washington State 30 years ago. 30. And we've been chatting back and forth. She's been married, I think she said 26 years, something like that. Oh wow, look, it's got nut zerks. So you can make sure that sucker is not going to come down, huh? And here's the panel that I've already gotten dirty. And let's see, where are we adjustable? We've got nut zerks here as well. Where's our adjustment? I guess we need to read the inductions, huh? I can only assume it's underneath here. Let's see, 0.40 to 0.92 amps is what it will consume as far as electricity goes. But anyway, it's just kind of neat. So everybody say hi to Tony in the comments, and she'll read the comments and see that everyone's saying hello to her. It's really good to touch base with her again. I don't understand people who get grumpy after a breakup or what have you. And oh, I see. It just depends on what you want. You plug in according to what wattage you want. That's interesting. Interesting. Dimmer. Okay, let's read it. Let's get the inductions out. I stay friends with everybody. You know, if something doesn't work out, it just doesn't work out, right? Okay, the LED driver with the wiring diagram, the different colors. And so we've got the green, black, and white are our power in. And then dimming wire, 0 to 10 volts. And then lead wire to LED load, blue and red. So gray is dim, purple is dim, but the way that it is currently wired, it is I'm not sure. Let's just keep reading. How about that? Why don't we just keep reading? Let's get to the front. A bunch of different ways to hang it. It does come with metal hangers, and you've got the chains. So, and you can also use cables, showing cables here, showing hook points. The Zerks, I mean, you could hard mount it using the Zerks if you wanted to. And there's no wire guard on this one. This is one of the smaller ones that Cinoton offers. Okay. Where'd that plate go? There it is. You can actually hang it from this and mount a box to it and then hang it from that. There's another option. We can see that right here, right there. And I do have a pipe up there that I could use, but we're not going to go that route because we don't have, oh yeah we do, we've got nut zerks on the sides over here, and that's what those nut zerks are for, is to mount an actual junction box to. That's really cool. I like the way they did that. See the exploded view. Okay. I'm reading. Purple and gray lead inside the driver compartment are 0 to 10 volt low voltage dimming leads. Connect to dimming low voltage wiring only. Okay, so we're not doing that. We're just going full power. So we'll have the benefit of all of it. And where I'm going to put it, I am not positive yet, but I'm going to take some measurements. I'll get my ladder out and I'll go up and pick a spot on the rafters, and then I have to run the wiring to where the light's going to be, and then we'll suspend the light up. But I will definitely bring you guys back as soon as I'm ready to hook the wires up and power this thing on. Okay, gang, I just filmed sideways like that. That's not how I wanted to film, so it looked like I was a noob. I've got her wired in with long heavy extension cord. This extension cord is going to mount right up there into that outlet. The only thing in that outlet is this cord and this cord right here. Then everything else goes to the 30 amp serviceable all the way over to a circuit breaker box, a 30 amp circuit breaker, and that's for the mill and the drill. The smithy is not on the circuit breaker, it's to the right of it, but I'm going to use the same power source, that same 30 amp service for this, and this uses very little amperage, as you guys saw. I showed you that previously. So it's going to get mounted way up over there, and I'll get the cord all tidied up after I get it mounted, and we'll come back and take a look and see just how bright it lights up that corner. But I'm sure you guys want to see just how bright it is right now, don't you? Well, let's just plug her in. Maybe. Come on. Really? Yep. Used to have the dexterity to do this stuff. Okay, here we go. It is silly bright. Super bright. So we'll get her hung up, turn you guys back on. Alright, gang, it is hung up, and I've got it wired in with these lights here and the lights over there above the machining equipment. So let's hit the button and see what it looks like. You ready? Holy cow, that is no longer a dark corner. Let's turn it off again. Get back under here, and bam! That is a lot of light. Yes sirree. That's gonna do it. Cinoton, you guys rock. That's incredible. Alright, porcelain light, like I said, is gonna go over here, and I'll get that one up, but you guys don't need to see that. So check link in the description. I'm gonna get with Ella, see if she'll give you guys a discount. It'll be a limited time, so you have to jump on it quick. And you can get all the deets on it from clicking on the link. And this is your friendly neighborhood Zippo. I've got a bunch of work to do now in a lighted area. Promise you, I'll see you when I see you. Out.